Hello, it's Haktan. We have built a cloud skill for UTM Grabber, which means you'll be able to create, generate completely customized reports like this, and this, and this, and many of these. Like we have created like 18 different reports here. And if you want to create something similar to this, and if you want to share across your organization with your team, with your clients, stick around for 5 minutes. I'm going to show you exactly how you can do this by yourself. All right, so let's get started. First, let's open the cloud. First thing we will do is we will connect the data source. So for that, go to Customize, Connectors, and then click the plus sign, add custom connector, and right here, just put your website name and ideally UTM Grabber as well, so you know exactly what it is. And then go to your website. For me, I'm gonna go to demo1utmgrabber.com, go to UTM Grabber. And if you don't have UTM Grabber, this requires version 3 of UTM Grabber. So go to utmgrabber.com and download and get version 3. That would allow you to collect all the data that you need to generate the report that I showed you previously. If you have UTM Grabber installed, version 3, just go to UTM settings and there is an MCP tab. Just copy paste this MCP URL and go back to cloud and paste it into the URL section and add. Now the data is good to go. So it should just show like this. And if you don't want to have any interruption, just allow, always allow, select always allow, because this is only read only. It's not going to change anything. There's no concern. And then after that, you can go back. And now we are gonna install our skills. And it'll go the same way. I already installed here. So what I'm gonna do, let me remove this first. And then let me create a new one. So first of all, you need to go to utmgrabber.com/skill to download the skill. And once you download the skill, you can go to the same way, customize skills, and hit the plus sign, create skill, upload a skill. And here you'll be given a zip file, and take that zip file and just drag and drop into that box or just upload it. After that, you'll be seeing something like this, UTM Grabber Attribution Reports. That means you are ready to go. Okay, so since we just installed it fresh, so let's call our skill first with a / command, and just say hi. And this will run you through the onboarding. It will ask you a couple questions. Make sure you answer it right, because the reports that will be generated will be dependent on those answers. You can always change it. You can always redo this onboarding, and the questions will come up like this. The first one is, which best describes you? If you're an agency, select agency. If you're a founder, just select founder. If you're a marketing person, just select marketing. Okay, I selected marketer and PPC manager. So after this one, it will want to generate a monthly performance review. What I recommend is set up the brand first, because the generated report, you want your brand on it, right? So, or your client's brand on it. If you are an agency, you are managing like multiple clients, you want to create different brands, right? So I'm going to show you different brands as well, but let's first create one brand for my own organization. I'm going to put, and this is very easy, very straightforward. It will ask you, how do you want to set up your brand? You can auto detect from website, quick setup, or advanced, or skip. So I prefer auto detect. And for that, it will ask you your website. I'm going to put utmgrabber.com. And if you only own one website, it's easy. You can just do like this. You can create one brand. But this skill allows you to create multiple brands at the same time. Even if you are managing like hundreds websites, hundreds clients, you can create their own, each specific branding belong to each client separately here. And it's as easy as like just providing their URL. And rest everything is custom tailored. It's already baked into the skill. It will go to this website. It will grab the all brand identity. It will bring them into your environment, and it will save the data. You'll only need to do this once, because all the data will be saved in your directory. So next time you run it, let's say next week or next month, you don't have to do this process again and again. All right, so right now our agent is running behind the scene. It's collecting all the information we need for the report. Okay, so the branding is completed. So it grabbed the company name, it grabbed the logo. I always recommend you to check the logo. Sometimes the one that's being used could be different. So I'm happy with this. So I'll keep that one. The primary color is correct, the accent color is correct, and all the font family, etc. Everything looks great. So I'm gonna go ahead and save it. So from this moment, I can create a new brand identity. If I'm an agency, I can create unlimited number of brand identity like this. And like you see on the right hand side, it is being saved in the working folder. So the first one you create, it will be default, but right after that, you can create another brand identity, as many as you want. Okay, so now you're ready to go. The onboarding is completed. In the next video, I'm going to show you how you can interact with the skills and how you can generate reports completely interactive. You can ask any question, you can create PDF files, you can create slideshows, etc. So stick around and I'm gonna show you end-to-end how you can do this by yourself. Let us know if you have any question. We are looking forward to hear your feedback to improve this tool further. Thank you so much.